Every chirp at dawn carries hope. Every flutter of wings brings life to our world. Yet, behind that beauty is a truth. Birds need our care more than ever. Hi, I'm Sumit Ghosh. The heart behind Birds Heaven Care. What began as a deep love for birds turned into a mission to share practical, compassionate, and holistic guidance to bird lovers across the globe. This channel is your one-stop sanctuary for expert tips on bird nutrition, hydration, and feeding strategies. Simple DIYs like feeders, bird baths, and nest setups. Natural remedies and first aid for common bird ailments. Backyard habitat building with eco-friendly tools. Bird behavior, decoding for bonding and understanding. Honest product reviews, from feeders to supplements. Birds suffer in silence. Overfeeding, dehydration, poor nutrition, stress, harsh habitats. These are silent killers. But with the right care, they heal, grow, and thrive. Birds aren't just pets or visitors. They are therapy. They are companions. And they deserve more than breadcrumbs. They deserve understanding. Birds Heaven Care is more than a channel. It's a growing global community of mindful caretakers. Whether you're a first-time bird parent or a backyard sanctuary builder, this space is for you. Ask questions. Join conversations. Share pictures of your feathered companions. Together, we'll change the way birds are treated, one perch at a time. Check out our trending videos to get started, from fixing common mistakes to discovering nutrient-rich foods or building feeders out of recycled materials. Every video is made with care, tested in real life, and focused on what truly works, so your birds feel the love and support they deserve. If your heart beats a little faster every time you hear birdsong, this is your home. Subscribe to Birds Heaven Care and join thousands of bird lovers reshaping the future of avian care. Follow us: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Threads at Birds Heaven Care. Contact us, birdsheavencare@gmail.com. Let's nurture wellness together, one feather at a time.